Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to set date and time zone on Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, click on your start menu right here. After click on your start menu, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to time and language, click on that. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down a little bit, and then you have to come to this section right here, time zone. Simply click on time zone, and then make sure you choose your country time zone. So I'm going to simply scroll down and look for my country time zone right here, West Africa. So just like so, I'm going to simply click on that. Then having clicked on that, automatically everything is going to be update on my time zone. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on synchronize now. Boom, successfully synchronized, and the time and the date has been fully updated correctly, as you can see right here. So basically, this is how to simply set date and time zone on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.